grow up, I want a pony. I'm gonna ride her from dusk till dawn. I'm gonna brush her mane and feed her sugar cane and keep her in safe from the storm.